Got ya. Hey guys, so basically today Ruby is really hyper because she spotted ornaments basically over there, and I don't know, I think in her head she thinks for real. Get off my laptop. See, this is look at her. She's like controlling my laptop now. Get off, Ruby. Hey, away. Get down. Good girl. Go and see your ornaments. See what they're up to. I'm just having some... What are you doing, Ruby? I'm just having some Nutella on toast and, just normal buttery toast. But yeah. Ruby has been really annoying today, aren't you, Ruby? Standing on me. Annoying. She nearly broke my laptop, right? I was in the kitchen, and I presumed at her and Daisy followed me, and all of a sudden I heard this thing fall to the ground. Came in, my laptop was upside down on the floor. I don't know, I think she headbutted it or something that fell on the floor. It's never ending in this house, is it, Ruby? But if he breaks, I can blame you, right? Right? Ruby. Ruby. Hello, Earth to Ruby. She's too busy looking at her laptop. There's nothing on there. She's just looking at my channel page. I think she's expecting the vlog to play itself. You have to do that. You have to play it, buddy. Yeah, you have to play it. Now we see you, it's too dark. So guys, it's like nearly sort of like evening time now. It's kind of getting dark outside. So yeah, me and the dogs have just been like watching things on my laptop, literally together. Because as you guys know, Ruby likes to watch a laptop on the telly. Ooh, what's that? So what did I do to your ball, Days? I put it in a box. Ready? You ready? In the box it goes. Whoa. Hey! So I just literally uploaded a video a few days ago, which would be 2 vlogs ago. I said I was thinking about making a video about how I was my mum's carer, and that I was hoping that I was going to help other people and be an inspiration and, you know, give advice, but I couldn't think of advice to say without messing it up and maybe not necessarily giving the right advice. So what I decided to do was tell my story of being a carer and what happens and what it's like, how you feel, that kind of stuff. And I thought that would probably be a bit more effective. And you guys so far have surprised me. You've given it 2 views within 49 minutes. That never ever happens to me. I'm normally lucky if I get 2 views within an hour. So thank you, that means a lot. And I've already got 2 likes, which means so much. Please, please, please keep sharing that video. Like, really keep sharing it to your friends, show your parents, show your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, your dog, everyone. Just, yeah, everyone, just share it around, you know. I really want to help people. That's my main ambition here. I really want to make a difference and help someone. And maybe there's someone that's younger than me, or maybe the same age, that's going through the exact same thing and feels exactly what I felt. And, you know, to have that kind of support and to know that I'm only a message away as well on Twitter, and I can talk to you and, you know, give you a bit of comfort, you know, that's absolutely fine, and I'm cool with that. So thank you guys. You're brilliant. But yeah, keep it up. It really does help. I really can't believe that. 2 likes already within an hour, just about. That's just crazy. Look at that. Crazy, crazy stuff, you guys. And my Twitter's going mad, which is not normal for my Twitter's normally very quiet. But thank you for that, thank you. Mwah. Thank you. Ruby is using my laptop, ain't you? Eh? You're using my laptop. What are you doing on it? Apart from watching EastEnders stuff. You're not typing to my friend anymore. What are you doing on there? Hmm? Drop it. Drop. Ah, ah, ah.